Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make such kind of wonderful pair of arms and to import them into Unity 3D. So in this video I will be using two applications. So the first one is 3ds Max 2013 and Unity 3D version number 4.6.1 F1. Okay, so let's just start. So what you can see here is that I have here two arms, and basically the the arms, the pose of arms is not correct, because you can see, so this arm is coming like this, and this arm is coming like this. So this man who is holding this weapon should look like this. So like this. Maybe. So like this. Yes. He's holding this weapon like this. And I will need to fix it later, so you can see here, so it's not correct. And to do this I'm going to jump into 3ds Max and to show you how I managed it to to make it look like this, and I'm going to fix this right in 3ds Max. So here you can see I have one arm, only one arm with bones, scale modifier on wrap, editable poly, and now I'm going to unhide my weapon, and you can see here that I have only one arm here, and I want to duplicate this arm together with bones and use this arm to handle this weapon over here, to put my fingers under this wooden stuff neck, and I'm going to use right arm to put it over here and to push trigger, so to animate it later. So I'm going to hide this weapon once again, hide selection, and I'm going to show you what mistake you can commit in your work. So let's just say you want to duplicate this arm, so you just select mesh, right, mesh, and you hold shift right and you drag it out, and you can see that you select here copy, you click OK, but something is not good here is happening. So you can see that, so the pivot point is over here, but there is no arm. What the hell, you may think, but it's many of you may commit this error, this mistake, so it's not correct. So very good decision for you to make if you want to duplicate this arm is the following one. So you just select all the components of your arm, so bones and mesh, then you make group, and it doesn't matter what name of group it will be because we will ungroup it later. You click OK, and then you are holding shift and you are drag it out, and you need to make sure that you have here copy, number of copies 1, and it's going to be right hand. And now you need to rotate this hand properly, because this hand is left, this hand is right. You go to toolkit, tools, mirror, mirror axis X, so in my case it's X, so you can see it here, so no clone, OK. And now we need to ungroup those objects to groups, and you can see now, so this mesh, so I'm going to rename it to arm left, and this one is going to be arm right. So you can see here, so here I have correct bones assigned, so it's original mesh with bones assigned to it, and this is duplicate, so we just clone. And now I'm going to unhide my weapon, so you can see, so my weapon is over here, and now I'm going to start to animate this. So I'm going into this animator mode, so you can see here, so it's a timeline, and I'm going to select all my objects, so you can see here, so all, and I'm going to make a backup of all my all my timeline. So I click here, so and now I have a backup over here, and I'm going to increase this timeline. I'm going to add some more keyframes, I mean just frames, and now I can start animating my my arms. So I just go here to fifth frame, and I put it like this, and I take the root of my arm, only root, and I move it like this. I take this arm and move it a little bit away from my weapon like this. And now it's very important, so I just left here like only arms, and it's very comfortable to use this to see my bones. So I can take my arm, and I'm holding Alt and press X, and I can see my bones through, but it's not very good for my to me. So, and also you can use this to select only bones, but it will be like you can guess where your bones are exactly. So I recommend you to do following action. So if you are going to use your hands, I mean your arms, so you can see that you have here a pivot point over here, and so I'm going to select not bone, I'm going to select my mesh. You can see, so the pivot point is not correct over here, so I'm going to fix this pivot point. I'm going to hierarchy pivot, and I select this effect pivot point only and center to object, and also I'm going to do the same here. So yeah, and also I recommend you to be very careful, because you can select here every object right now. So with this option selected, so you can select both bones and mesh. So if you are going to animate, so just use this option. So now I'm going to save it. And I'm going to continue animate my bones. So here I have only one bone over here, and I'm going to rotate my something is happening. This is not okay. Okay, like this. And I'm going to, so really I don't really see my bones properly. So I need to do it like this. So I just rotate it here, and then I'm going to rotate it here. And here we go. Need to put my hand under this neck. It's my first experience, really trying to do my best. So yeah, let's just put it like this. I'm going to increase the size of this view, so you will be able to see what's going on like this. I'm going to rotate it like this now. Distortion over here is visible, I know, but you will be not able to see it because your camera will be like this, so you will be not able to see this. So, and now we are going to do this. We are going to move it a little bit higher like this, and now I have to rotate only my hand. Also, it's very important here, you know, so look, I have here, like, you know, it's a sweater, right, sweater, or, you know, jacket, and I have here you know, some kind of shirt, sleeve of shirt under the sweater. So this part is only visible to players, so this one, and this one is not visible, so I don't have to care about it actually. So and you can see now, so only hand is affected by this bone, so not sleeve, not this one, so only hand. And I want to do this basically, so I need to rotate it, so this part will be hot when you shoot, I believe. So I need to move my finger away from it just a little bit, and oh, it's not correct. I don't need this bone, I need this bone instead. Now I have to only move this root bone, this one. Okay, almost done. Yeah, this is much better, I think. You know, it's very close to this barrel, but still it's better. And I'm not going to focus onto, you know, details. I'm going to just finish it right now because it will take all your time, guys. And I'm not going to take all your time. Yeah. I need to move it closer to my hands. This weapon. Okay, so let's just, okay, so I have here problem with my you know, effect of bones. You can see here, so distortion, but it's not critical because, you know, and the player will be not able to see this. But if you are working on serious project, so you should fix this. I'm not going to fix it right now because I basically have no time. Yeah. Okay, so let's just try to fix it somehow. So I have here such structure of bones, so they are not correct, but still I have no option, so I have to just keep moving because you can see, so I have here crazy distortions over here, crazy. But I think this will be good lesson for you, so you'll teach it from this one. So, and anyway, the player will be not able to see this. Okay. The last one. No, player will be able to see to see this. This is a crazy mistake. Okay. because I don't see my bones correctly. Okay, this bone, it's what I need actually. Like this. Okay. Okay, very terrible I know, but still quite nice for beginning, I believe. So I have here this crazy distortion, like I'm a mutant, not human being. Okay, I'm going to try to fix it somehow. Yeah, like really mutant. Okay, let's just leave it like this. Like this. Okay, this is much better now. So it's like not very big distortion. Yeah, but this one should not be visible to player. Yeah, okay, so let's just take care of this this arm then. So we have to do this. Take this one. I'm recording, I believe. Yes, I'm recording. And still I have a backup over here so you can see it. So it's nice to have backup all the time, because 3ds Max may crash on you, and then it will be not very good to have it, to have it start, from whole beginning, from the scratch. So now we have to take care of this, and this is much easier here, because we have to take, we have to create this angle here to make our hand fit into this good position. So to give a hug to our handle and push trigger. So now I have to calculate proper position for my arm, move it a little bit like this, and I have to use also not this position. Oops. And we are almost there. Oops, not you. Okay, almost there. And now we have to only play with position of our hand, and then we need to assign a position for our fingers. Once again, I have a very not good bones structure, but anyway, I think it's quite good for first beginning. So you can see, so this finger is not properly set up, so I have to play with my bones like this. Okay, it's not very good, but still the finger is crazy one, I know. I just put this finger into proper position, but I cannot handle it, I cannot take it. Okay. Oops. Oop. Not you. And then I have to move it like this. No, it's not correct. I have to lift it up. Lift it up. My dog is barking because I say lift it up. Yeah, lift it up. You have to lift it up, yeah. Lift it up, yeah. Lift it. What? Sorry for interruption. Let's now continue. No, it's not proper position for hand, obviously. It's just not correct. There should be an angle. Okay, like this, exactly like this. And now we are almost there. No, this is not very good for my hand. Okay, like this. Now again, crazy distortion over here. Distortion, disco. This. Okay, like this. And like this. But my hand is not given a hug to handle. It's not correct. It should give a hug to this handle. Okay, it's really crazy distortion. But I have no choice. I believe I have no choice. I have to just do this. It have to hug this handle. And I have to take out my tomb. Where is it? Bone. It's over here. Okay, it's over here. Like this. Yeah, it's crazy distortion. Crazy one. I have to fix it right now. Like this. Crazy distortion. If I disable shadows, so you can see how it does look like really. It's because of my not proper position of bones. And okay, I have to hide, I think hide this hand, because this hand is already assigned. Hide selection. Now I have to work only with bones of this hand. Okay. So I have to get it back to normal position. And this hand also should be in good position like this, I believe. Okay, it's correct. Okay, now it should work better. Okay, something. This one is remaining not good. This one, but I don't see it. Need to do this. Alt X. I have to see my bone. So this one, right? Okay, let's just have a look then. Okay, a little bit better, a little bit. Somehow I managed to do this. Now I need to put my finger in a better position now. Too sharp. Looks really terrible, I know, but I tried my best. I really tried my best. My best schmest. Okay. Let's just say that okay, I have to do this now. Unhide all. And I need to save it like this. Okay. It's first static animation. I mean, not animation, just a pose for our weapon like this. And now let's just put it into Unity. So Unity 3D. So what you have to do, I recommend you to use FPS file extension because it's much better, it's faster, and this is very good optimized. I go to export. Also, I recently started to use only C# in my projects. So where is it? Models, play interface. This one. Save, save. Okay, now let's just get back to Unity. And yeah, and I will show you how to put it normally, so without any problem. Unity will eat new food and it will be okay very soon. So okay, so now we have this. Now I want to save it just in case, even though we'll need it later. So new center, player hands. I believe that this one. Okay, somehow it managed to be distorted, and I need to use only bones. Once again, only bones. You can see, so I drag bones in Unity, not mesh. So this is a mesh. This is a mesh, and I drag bones, root bone. This is a root one. Okay. Yeah, looks really terrible. I know. But you can use this, this transform to animate reloading animation for your shotgun. Like the boom, boom. Yeah. Okay. And now I'm going to save it as prefab, so I'm going to create new folder over here. I'm going to prefab. Yeah, prefab and player user interface AK47. And now I'm going to put it like this. I'm going to get back to my previous center. This one, don't save. And I'm going to replace my old gun with new one, so I don't need this old one. I'm going to scale it down. Rotate it and scale it down. Okay, still. Copy. I will try to do this. I mean, no, not this. I will try to do this instead. So I'm going to take this gun out. This gun has scale. Oh no, it's not good. I will take it back because scale is not correct. Scale is not correct. I need to put it inside. Wait. Somehow. Where is my gun? Okay, let's just launch it again because somehow Unity managed to do something not good here. So I'm going to take it back like this. 180. Scale it down. Okay, we're almost there, Scale it up. Let's just try it out. Does it fit? Okay, it almost fit, almost. Okay, it's okay now. It almost fits the previous one, and we are going back to player. And I have here rigid body, and I have to reassign every aspect of my previous gun into my new one. So I go to, so I have here animator, rigid body, mesh collider. Okay. Copy. Arm left, arm right, and object. Add component, rigid body, paste component values, and go back to my. So I have here mesh collider, convex, and that's all. Okay, let's just go back. Mesh collider. This is very expensive component for your information. Very expensive, so be careful with this one. So okay, now I have here scope, this one scope, and I have to reassign this scope to my new gun. And spotlight also reassigned to my, and now I can hide this object, and I have to do this one now. Okay, this is some kind of, it's colliders. I don't need this collider actually right now, or I will leave it for just in case. And now I have to assign components for my script. So weapon holder, weapon. Okay, weapon. Okay. Okay, I don't know, will it work normally, but I will try it out anyway. Let's just try it out. Okay. Okay, now something is not correct over here, but anyway, you can see that we have here model and scope, flashlight, and this is how it was looked like in the previous videos. So I will show you. open. So it's a hand scope, kind of scope where we can drop weapon and do we can do this. Oh, it's not very good gesture, but anyway. So that's all. I have no idea why I decided to record this video, really just you know, to show you what you can do. Okay. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye, and have a good time. See you later.